Yeah, yeah. Yo, Stack, what? This should kill him right here, nigga. Yeah. Alright. This'll probably make him body something, dump him in the red. Yeah. That's that shit right there. My little man caught a body, he been running for a year. Yeah. That's that shit right there. If he running the dot, spot him, I'ma pop him with the flare. Yeah. That's that shit right there. Yo, Stack, you fuck around and get sins to the chair. Yeah. That's that shit right
I get a line on them, niggas line on them, they be watching his moves. The 9 on him, if he shine, take his watching his jewels. Got me confused, everything you heard about is the truth. Arrogant, cocky in them two-tone coupes. Money don't change niggas, magnify who you are. I've been shining, so the money just made him a star. These niggas watching my progress. Well, I'm copping and flipping the little houses, but I live in the project. Wonder how I dress, questioning what I wear. Well, the tighter the jeans, more pay for the pair. You in the presence of gangsters, the riot in here. That's that shit right there. Feel it in the air like beam shit. Bundles I lean shit. Carbon 5 with the thermal beam shit. Little paranoid, I got something to live for. Dealing with some kitty niggas running your crib for. But I ain't in the runnings with niggas. Lessons over hard white, then I holler at under them niggas. I'm gunning at niggas. All know I seen your play. More my Dominican shit, call me Seymour Yates.
This'll probably make him body something, dump him in the red. Yeah. Shit right there. My little man caught a body, he been running for a year.